So, check this out. Extremely long list of things to do. So let's get started because the onset of winter is coming in Michigan, and it is the end of September. Today is the last day. So I want to get this engine out, and I want to get it on a stand and get it in this garage here. My garage. All right, let's get her done. Well, hello there. We got a lot of work to do. The first step is we're going to remove this exhaust, disconnect it, from the engine. So when we pull the engine out, we don't pull the exhaust with it. All right. Let's do this. Okay, I've already removed one of the bolts. There's another one up there. You can see it. I gotta disconnect that. And then we'll come to this side. And we'll get this one. And then our project underneath the car is done. And we can take it off of jacks, lower it down. There it is right there. And I'm going to use a 16 millimeter. Now the deal with these bolts here is that the nut on top just floats. So you gotta get up here, hold it. And do one of these numbers. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get this out, but that's what you have to do, more or less. All right, so check this out. This is our bolts that we're removing. There's 4 of them. The one side's square. This side is like a 5/8 or 16 millimeter or something. But this is what gives us problem, because you can see like any type of thing that you can try to use, you can't fit a square nut in in any of this stuff. So I'm going to do one of these numbers. Yep, the adjustable. It's the only way I can think of doing it. Holding it at the very top of it, and then using the 16 millimeter on this to pull them out. So that's what our job is for today. This thing has given me so much problem. I got 3 of them out, and this last one I can't get because I can't get to the top of it with a wrench. So when I'm turning it, it just keeps turning and turning and turning, and it So, just to let you know, that's what happens in the automotive world, is there's always something that's totally about it. Alright, so I was able to remove those 4 bolts and disconnect the exhaust from the engine. So now, what I want to do is put the car down back on the ground, off the jacks, and then we're going to open up the hood here, and we're going to start removing everything from the engine bay. There's a long list, so let's get to it.